Good morning, children. Welcome back. So, today we are going to start a new lesson basing on the Open Office Impress only. So, today our new lesson is about children animations in slides. What is our sixth lesson? Animations in slides. Okay, so we are going to create animations in the slides using the custom animation. So, let us start, children. So see, first of all, let us know what is a custom animation. Custom animation means nothing but we are going to create the slides to be more exciting using giving some movements to the text or to the objects that are being used in the slides. That is what called as custom animation. Okay, so let us start, children. First of all, whenever we already discussed that whenever we are going to open an open office impress, it is going to be open in a normal view, right? So see, if you see here, normal is highlighted. This is the outline, this is the notes, this is the handout, and the last one is slide sorter. Okay, so whenever we are going to open an open office window, in default we are going to open it in a normal view. Okay, so let us start. First of all, in order to go to custom animation, you should select slideshow menu. Within the slideshow menu, you should select custom animation. Okay, in order to create any effects, see, first let us insert any image so that you can see the difference over there. Okay, right click, click on insert button and then copy. So for example, this image is there. Okay, and let us write some text also. Okay, so let us write some text. This is our sample slide. Okay, so this is there. So now I am going to apply the custom animation for this particular image. See, what we should do, we should go to the slideshow and click on custom animation. So see here, unless you want to click on that particular object, children, here the add option will not be shown. So you should select the object to which you are going to give the effect. So see, I have selected this particular object and then I have selected add. See, you are having 5 different types of effects. First one is entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths, and miscellaneous effects. Okay, so and at the down you are also having the speed also. Okay, for example, see, once you have selected that particular option, here it is highlighted. Speed also you can change. There are the 5 different speeds: very slow, slow, medium, fast, and then very fast. You can select any of these 5. Okay, so see, I have selected the diamond. So see, that particular circle is going to be coming in a diamond. Dissolve means, see, flash ones. Okay, random bars, random effects, like that. Okay, wedge, wheel, like that. All these are styles only, children. Okay, exit, crawl out, okay, like this. There are several styles, as you people have we already seen. Motion paths is also having a style, miscellaneous effect is also having a style. Okay, if you select this text, whatever effects you are going to give, it is applicable to the text only. Okay, clear? Till here it's clear, Nama? Now let us go see how to change or remove the effect. So see, for example, here I have given this particular effect. Which one I have given? I have selected for suppose boomerang. Okay, see, boomerang means it will be coming like that. So now if I want to change this, click on OK, and then see, here I got the option change. First, when you selected this particular image, you did not get that option because you did not apply any style. Then you only got the option add. But now you have selected the one particular style, so now you are getting the option change and remove. when you click on change, you can change the animation style. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to remove, you can remove. So it has been removed. Now it is not having any change, any animation. Again, you should go to end and then select any of it. Wheel. Okay. Click on OK. Now again it is having, see here, this is the one that will be showing you that the animation is present. Okay. And next, coming to the second section, you will be having option start. When this particular one is going to start, that means this particular animation is going to start on the click. That means when I tap on the screen only, the animation effects will be shown. Okay. And you will be also having an other options with the previous, after previous. Okay. If you have given different animations, then you can use that particular option. Okay. Spokes means how many? See, 3. See, like that. Okay. We have selected a wheel, no? That particular difference, I think you all are able to see. Okay. Speed, fast. We have selected very fast. See. Okay. If you have given several animation styles, then you can change the order of the animations. But we haven't given any several styles, so we have given only single style. So it is like that. If you click on play, it will be playing. Okay, children? Understood? Next. Here there is another option called as effect options. Right? Click on that. This is the advanced animation effects. See, this is the symbol. If you want to select give advanced animation effects, then you should select the particular option. So see, here you can give the sound also if you want to give the sound. I think you all are able to hear the sound. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, like that. Okay, ma'am. Next, coming to timing, you can even give the time also. That means after this particular time, the slide will be automatically changing. Okay, here they have given 0.0 seconds. As we have selected the option on mouse click, that means unless we won't click the mouse, the slide will not be changed or the animation will not be changed. But if you have given any time, after that particular time, the slide will be changing. Okay, children? Clear, ma? Next. So with this, we have completed our 6th lesson. This is a very small lesson, children. Only you are going to learn about the animations, how to give the animations, how we can give more and more styles to the text and slides. Okay. I hope you all understood today's lesson. If you're having any queries, you can ask. Okay, children. Thank you.